Hello, Stone family.
I just want to take a minute to give a quick tutorial on how students need to be checking their email. So teachers are sending out emails constantly. Students need to be checking their email on a daily basis, probably even a few to several times a day to see what is coming in. And I've had some students tell me that they are not getting any emails. They don't see any emails when I know that I've sent some. And the reason for this is that some students are not actually checking their email, but they're checking in Google Classroom instead, and those are two different things. We can send messages either way, but Gmail is separate. So in order to get to their email, their school email, they start off the same way. Go to Google and whatever browser you want to use, click sign in, and then sign in using their school email account. So it's their first name dot last name at student.northlamar.net. And once they get signed in, up here in the top right, they'll see their profile that they've signed in. Click the 9-dot menu button, and instead of clicking on Google Classroom, they just click on Gmail, and that's going to take them to their school email account. Okay? So from here, they need to be checking emails when we assign stuff in Google Classroom. It'll show up here also, I believe. Or we'll just send out just regular emails for all the students. And please reply back if you get an email so that we know that you're receiving these. If you have any questions, let me know. This is Jeremy Glossop. You can email me at jglossop@northlamar.net. Other than that, thank you for your time.